Welcome to our channel. Keep liking, give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and continue to share our stuffs on this channel. Okpebholo asked Governing Council to restore Edo University's glory. According to Punch, Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo has entrusted the newly inaugurated Governing Council of Ambrose Ali University (AAU) Ekpoma with the task of restoring the institution's former prestige. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony held on Monday at the new Festival Hall of the Government House in Benin City, Okpebholo urged the council to focus on revitalizing AAU's reputation as a leading center of academic excellence. The restoration of AAU's glory is not just a matter of policy but a priority for the development of Edo State. The governor emphasized education is the bedrock of development, and Ambrose Ali University holds a special place in our hearts. The institution has produced some of Nigeria's finest minds, and it is time to restore its former status, he added. The newly appointed governing council is led by Chief Dan Obi and comprises notably figures such as Professor Friday Okonufwa, Professor Steve Emiemekaru, Professor Eric Kelly, Inanemo Omogbayi, Lukman Mohammed, Professor Idialu Jeremiah Owaifo, and Professor Moruyi Iponwusa Osahan. Governor Okpebholo also highlighted that his administration has already undertaken significant actions to support the university. This includes an increase in the university's monthly subvention from 41 million naira to 500 million naira. Furthermore, the governor emphasized the introduction of targeted interventions aimed at improving the infrastructure and resources available to both students and staff. Restoring AAU's lost glory is a collective effort, and this council has been chosen for its leadership capacity. Okpebholo stated, I trust that with your dedication and vision, you will fulfill this mission and contribute significantly to the university's resurgence. The governor also addressed the concerns surrounding the over 100 medical students at the institution, assuring that critical challenges faced by this institution have been resolved. He reiterated his administration's ongoing and unwavering support for the continued development of Ambrose Ali University. Chief Dan Obi, the chairman of the Governing Council, expressed gratitude to the governor for the opportunity to serve and acknowledged the significant steps already taken to breathe new life into the university. I am confident that with your leadership and the efforts of the Governing Council, AAU will once again become a beacon of academic excellence, Obi declared. In addition to the developments at AAU, Governor Okpebholo also met with the newly appointed State Commissioner of Police, Betty Otimehin, to discuss the state's security challenges. The governor reaffirmed his commitment to combating crime and criminality in Edo, expressing confidence in Otimehin's leadership. The battle against crime is a priority, and I have no doubt about that the new commissioner of police will help us achieve a crime-free Edo, Okpebholo stated. In response, Otimehin thanked the governor of his support, particularly the recent donation of vehicles to enhance police operations. I am ready to work and ensure that the state remains safe, she affirmed. Where two germane things are discussed here. One is about the Ambrose Ali University, that's the state-owned university, and two is about the the new commissioner of police for Edo State. Now the first one, the university has been given a new governing council, meaning that a new administration is starting even for the university. And they are expected to breathe in a new life, a new strength, a new opportunity into the flesh, the bone, and the marrow and the blood of the university, bringing it out of the cauldron, the quagmire, and the doldrum that the university is in right now, and then making sure that things are better henceforth. Of course, it is necessary when a new set of people come to power, they have to take stocks, look backward and see where they met the situation and then begin to chart a new course, better one, forward for the progress, prosperity, and promotion of the institution they inherited. So in this regard, the chairman of the governing body, Mr. Obi, should be able to come together, galvanize his committee, and give the best they have, even for the university. In fact, the governor need to be applauded because he increased the subvention given to the university from 41 million naira to 500 million naira. That is over 1,000%, and that is, commendable, meaning that he really wants the glory of the school to come back to limelight. Very, very essential, very, very important. And at this point in time, yes, they should work assiduously using the necessary subvention, the available resources judiciously, and to make sure that it makes the environment conducive for learning, and also to make life bearable for the students and the lecturers all together. He also made mention of the 100 medical students of that school. I think for us to have the best of medical students and graduates, the environment should be conducive enough with necessary equipment and state-of-the-art teaching aids and lecturers and equipment to be used, such that at the end of the day, the glory that is accruable to Nigeria and to that institution can be restored. This is very, very important, very, very germane, and the governing body is to be warned. They are not brought in there for politics. They are not supposed to come and start stealing, because yes, 41 million to 500 million is attractive to anybody who is not disciplined. You can always say, if we take anything, nobody will know. That's not what they are there for now. What they are there for is to make the life bearable for our children that are going to that institution, and making the institution well competitive, such that the best of the best will be produced out of the place. Even if they bring the worst of the worst into the institution, by the time he has spent the number of years he planned to spend, he will have become the best among the rest. And that is the plan and the vision of the new governor. And I hope this governing body will work along with it, not that they will begin to sabotage his effort through stealing and through all sorts of unnecessary argument and fighting. And then the other aspect of it is the new commissioner of police. We're expecting the woman to do more than how men are doing. He should be able to throw his weight behind his boys and make sure they read the state of crime, because Edo State is known, yes, for a lot of situations about the miscreants, hoodlums, and stealing and all sorts of things. They can read the state of this nefarious activity if she has decided within his mind to work, and the governor has promised to work with her. Let her also work with the governor, and Edo State will be a better place for everyone. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.